Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. The previous videos covered 6 techniques of the Mae Mai close combat strategy. If you've not watched them, please do so before you continue.
Well, congratulations for coming this far with learning your Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy. And today along with me, I have my student Ganesh and Rishabh to teach you the next technique, Morn Yan Lak. Morn pressing against the pillar. So in this technique, the thrust kick would be the main weapon against any kind of incoming attack. Let's now see that. Ganesh, you ready? Rishabh, ready? Let's now take the first technique against a swing. Alright? Alright, perfect. Now Ganesh would be doing the Morn Yan Lak and the attacker would be Rishabh. Ready? Take a swing. 1. Good. So that is the thrust kick. The nature of the thrust kick is to ward off your opponent. So opponent can come with a weapon or without a weapon in unarmed combat. Now Rishabh again go for a swing and 2. So warding off. Next, go for a kick. Wonderful. Go for a kick. Yep. You can see how the moment Rishabh intends to start the attack, the striker finishes him off with Morn Yan Lak. That quick and that swift to stop or ward off the opponent. Third one, you can go for an elbow. Up. Ready, easy. Breathe out. Breathe out. Ready, easy. Elbow. Up. Good. You can go for a clinch. Yes, wonderful. So you saw the technique against the clinch or against the elbow, against a punch or against a kick. So Morn Yan Lak is one neutral weapon. I can use it against any kind of different varied incoming attacks. Let's now witness the second technique, Pak Look Toi, nailing the steps of the tree trunk. And for this I request Rishabh and Ganesh to first demonstrate the technique. This would be a technique against the roundhouse kick attack. And this would be a defense and the attack at the same time in one single movement. Let's watch it now. Let's go. 1. Wonderful. 2. Good. Wonderful. Easy, easy. Please come inside. Right? Please come inside. Yeah. Good. 3. Okay. 4. That's it. So now you can see the elbows going into the shin, countering and destroying the shin in this roundhouse kick. This is Pak Look Toi. Thank you. Great. Now let's see the last technique of this episode, Charakhe Fadhang, the crocodile whipping the tail. Alright? This is a spinning roundhouse kick as a counter move against a jab or a cross jab. Alright? Rishabh and Ganesh, ready? Please come inside. Yeah? Okay. Wonderful. Good. Now Rishabh would go for the jab. Ready? Good. Good. Ready. 2. Good. 3. Okay. Jab. Okay. Don't go in the front too much. 4. Yes. 5. Okay, that's Charakhe Fadhang. To do this technique, you will have to learn to put the lead leg across. Lead leg across. And this foot comes in the 45 or the 180 degrees rather. And you pivot. You pivot. You pivot. After you pivot, the lead leg becomes the attacking leg. There you go. Okay, that's Charakhe Fadhang. Well, learn 1, 2, and 3. Boy! That's Charakhe Fadhang. Thank you. This would be the last technique of this episode. Please do like and share the videos. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.